Hi everyone, this is Aruna Richame, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my today's lecture series, today we're going to see about the generating of multiplication by using a looping statement. Because in the previous videos and all, we have discussed the looping statement along with the example. This is on another scenario how we can use the looping statement. So we will know that generating a multiplication table. Either it can be 2 table, 3 table, 4 table. Always it can be multiplied with 1 into 2 equal to 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. So either we're going to increment certain value and generating value, I'm going to keep it as a constant. I'm going to multiply the similar thing. It is very much similar to the factorial of the number. So here, according to here, we have to understand the concept of multiplication and also how it can be used in the which method it can be used. So in this case, I have to get a number from the user. And also up to that particular specified number, I have to generate a multiplication table from the 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. So, and after that, I have to display that each line of the table showing the product number, which the each multiplier. Because it's a multiplier, we can have the multiplicand as well as the multiplier. Multiplicand is the incremented one. Multiplier, we're going to keep it as a constant over here. Through that, it will multiply the multiplicand and multiplier. You can get a product value. So this scenario will perform the repetitive calculation using the either I can use the for loop or a while loop. I have to repeatedly calculate my thing for generating the multiplication of a number. So how it can be did it by using over here means I have used the scanner class for getting the input from the user. I have created a public class that is a multiplication table. Inside that thing I have created a public class that is a public static void means string arguments. This is my main class. After that, I have created an object for the scanner class. Through that particular object, I can get the multiplication table, that how in what number I'm going to generate the multiplication table, that I have to get in the variable number. After that, I have to display the multiplication table for which number? That is a multiplication table for y, multiplication table for 10. Which table I'm going to generate? That is based on the number which I have already get it from the user. After that, I have to use the for loop. So initially my I value starting from 1, I have to set the maximum value, the range of value from 1 to 10. I have to given the I plus plus for incrementing. After that, I'm going to generate the product of multiplicand into multiplier, that it can be stored, product will be stored in the result. So the number is my constant value already I'm having into I have I value incremented 1, 2 or 3 that could be stored over here. After that I have to print the number plus that is a x, that is a multiplication plus I value is an incremented value equal to the resultant value. This is the how it can be displayed. How could be the output will be like this means like this only we are getting the output. For example, I'm getting the multiplication table. So here I have to get the what is the my number of table that I have to get it over here. From the multiplication I get the 5. So 5 table multiplication is coming over here. This is the how it can be executed. So then next I'm going to show you the command prompt how I can able to calculate the thing. So see here. So this is my command prompt. So I already gave you the thing is what is the multiplication table I'm having. I store it in that name called as a multiplication.java. So in my screen, I'm going to do the operation. That is, I'm going to use the Java compile Java C. So my file name dot, I'm going to use a Java. So through that, I'm compiling that particular program. After that, I will create a class file for this particular program. Class file is generated. The next, I use this Java package, my program name. So this will be loaded the class file into a Java virtual machine. So in this case, it will execute the thing, enter the number to be generated. For example, I have given the 4 means here I have to generate the 4th table. So That is a 4 into 1 equal to 4, 4 into 2 equal to 8, 4 into 3 equal to 12. So everything 10 times the loop is executed and you can got the output. Similarly, if I want to calculate 9, so it will display the thing. If I want to calculate 21, the table will be coming. So if I want to calculate 34, it will be displayed. If I want to calculate 89th table, so for 1 to n, it can be executed. Similarly, if I want to change the value, so for example, here I have to given the limit as 1. If I give 20, now I'm saving this program. So if we do any changes in the program, definitely I have to compile, because here the class file is generated. Your virtual machine, it will automatically taken the class file that only loaded into over JVM. So in this case, if I do certain changes in my code, definitely I have to compile that particular program. Now the compilation is over. So now after that, I have executed this thing. I have to give one the table as 6th table. So see here, it will get a range of 1 to 6. It will display the thing. So this is the how this program can be executed. So if you have any doubt, kindly write it in the comment. Definitely I will answer for that particular questions and all. Thank you for watching my video.